Hi, welcome back to P2M, the Positive Perspective Mindset channel. Today we're covering setting SMART goals, how to achieve success step by step. So let's get started. What are SMART goals and why are they important? We all need a bit of structure and focus to avoid getting distracted along the way. And this is where SMART goals come in handy. So, what's so smart about them? Think of it as making your goals easier and breaking them down to attain your objectives. By making your goals smart, you're increasing your chances of success and measuring your progress along the way. They help us stay on track, make efficient use of our time and resources, and lead us closer to our desired outcomes. Now, before we dive into the steps, let's talk about the importance of having a positive and realistic mindset before setting our SMART goals. Let's say you're driving a car on a road trip, and your mindset is the fuel that keeps you going. If you fill it up with negativity and self doubt, you won't get far. But if you choose positivity and believe in yourself, you'll have a much smoother journey. And now for a dose of reality. Remember that success doesn't happen overnight. Consistency is the name of the game. So let's fuel up with realistic positivity and get going. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. So we have 5 steps to cover for each letter in setting SMART goals. Starting with step 1 S. Make them specific. When you're specific, you know exactly what you want to achieve, making it easier to create an action plan. Example for work goals. Instead of saying, I want to earn more money, be specific by saying, I want to earn an extra $500 per month by starting a side hustle. Then plan it out. So start by writing down your goal, making it as specific as possible. By doing this, you'll have a clear target to aim for. Step 2 M. Make our goals measurable. By setting measurable goals, we can keep track of our progress and celebrate small wins along the way. Remember, it's all about taking baby steps towards success. Let's bring this step to life with a relatable example from our personal life. Say you want to improve your fitness. Instead of saying, I want to get in shape, make it measurable by saying, I want to be able to run a 5K in under 30 minutes within 3 months. Or I want to be able to do 25 push ups a day within the next few weeks. Break down your goal into measurable milestones or target. This way, you'll have a roadmap to follow and stay motivated. Step 3 A. Make sure your goals are achievable. While it's great to dream big, we also want to set ourselves up for success. If you have a dream of starting your own business, instead of jumping straight to, I want to build $1 million empire within a year, start with an achievable goal like, I want to launch my online store and make my first sale within 6 months. Or, I want to plan and register my business. Assess the resources, skill, and time you need to achieve your goal. By setting realistic expectations, you'll increase your chances of success. Step 4 R. Make sure your goals are relevant. It's crucial to align your goals with your passion, values, and long term vision. If your goal doesn't resonate with who you are and what you truly want, it will be challenging to stay motivated in the long run. If you love helping people and have a passion for fitness, instead of pursuing a career in science, align your goal by saying, I want to become a certified personal trainer and inspire others to live a healthy lifestyle. Reflect on your values, passion, and long term vision. Make sure your goals are in harmony with who you are and what truly matters to you. Final step 5 T. Our SMART goals need to be time bound. Adding a deadline creates a sense of urgency and helps us prioritize our actions. Let's bring it all together with a relatable example from work. Instead of saying, I want to improve my public speaking skills, set a time bound goal by saying, I want to enroll in a course and deliver a captivating presentation at work within 3 months. Or I want to be presenting 3 to 4 times within 3 months to improve my skills. Make sure you set realistic deadline for each new goal you add. Remember, time is precious, so make the most of it by setting clear and realistic timelines. Before we wrap up, here's a key piece of advice. There will be bumps and detours, but that's okay. Make sure you're being realistic. Don't rush and pressure yourself. And don't forget to celebrate your achievements along the way. Every milestone, big or small, deserves recognition. And finally, and most importantly, never compare your journey to others. Success is subjective and unique to each individual. So stay focused on your goals, celebrate your progress, and keep that positive and realistic mindset. Embrace the process, stay positive, and never stop chasing your dreams. Let's summarize. We are preparing, identifying, and setting our SMART goals to achieve success step by step. The three key points into doing so are: 1. Write down your goals with specific details. 2. Break down your goals into measurable milestones or targets. And 3. Reflect on your values and long term vision to ensure your goals align with who you are. You've got this. Set those SMART goals, believe in yourself, and embrace your journey towards success. Keep hustling, dream big, and make it happen. These were some steps and actions on setting SMART goals, achieving success step by step. If this helped you, like, subscribe, and share your support. I'm Amanda, your online buddy. Join me next week where we'll be covering mastering leadership skills, inspiring and leading others. Ask questions or suggest topics related to your career or personal life in the comments and we can tackle them together. Remember to keep a positive yet realistic mindset. See you next week.